You slowly but surely burn out. I can bet you feel similar emotions, as if your life is moving in a spiral, like a bicycle wheel on a city street. Work, home. Sometimes every day seems like a grey copy of the previous one, as if the pages of a monotonous book you read 1,000 times before. Sometimes melancholy overwhelms you, making you strive for something more, for those bright moments when you have the opportunity to go on holidays, or when you can spend time with your family, or meet up with friends, or when you can just escape, no matter where. Well, here's what I'm getting at. A few years ago, I found myself in Grenoble, a city lost among the Alps. That's where I got to know the mountains.
Даже вот эта вот дымка, долбаная дымка, просто испортила весь день. В таких местах хочется сидеть на самом деле бесконечно.
This acquaintance truly turned my world upside down. Here, among the majestic mountains, time seems to stand still. And you realize that it's impossible to conquer these eternal summits. Everyone who comes here finds their own path to inner peace and harmony with themselves. In this solitude, on the crest of loneliness, you understand that freedom is not just a word, but a state that fills you to the brim. This is what I call a true divine moment.